Today I'll teach you how to linguistically study the Quran's Arabic. Disclaimer: I do not recommend using AI at all. Sometimes it gives wrong tafsir or quotes an ayah out context, or makes an entire ayah out of the blue, but in terms of studying Arabic it is decent. I am not a scholar, I am just giving you a convenient tool. You can self-study Arabic or Quranic Arabic, but I recommend you learn with scholars, not AI. Go to Quran.com. Then select an ayah of your choice, copy the ayah you are confused about, go to checked. Write this prompt, explain one by one Arabic linguistic analysis of each word of the ayah. Simple, don't go too overboard on the grammar, but make it simple. Get a notebook, write down each word and try to memorize it. Also, if you want to go deeper in knowledge, you can ask ChatGPT, has this word been used previously in Quran? Or has it been used in another form? Etc. Lastly, there's another website that I would recommend you all. Arabic Students Dictionary. This website gives you all the roots of most of the words that are found in Quran. You can see synonyms of the words as well. Jazakallah khair for watching, subscribe and like for more.